Hey family, hey family, hey family. So I just saw broke from one of my homeboys, Hirsch Ghost, and the video was titled "Growing in Georgia Be Like." That mind talking about them bugs, bruh. You talking about them bugs? I should have showed y'all the bugs, and there was going. Well, it was bad in the spring, y'all. But late summer going into fall, and then Memphis already got bipolar weather. You talking about them folks got jackets on. Them folks got sleds and everything. Bugs literally stay on everything out in the yard until every leaf fall off. When those leaves fall off those trees, those bugs are in your grass. They in the top of this pot. That's why we have to spray. One thing that I didn't do, because last year, well, yeah, it's 23 then. But when I started with the trees, I didn't do pesticide, insecticides, and pest control. When I first got them, I did it like whenever I could just get out here and do it, to be honest with you, because I was already growing the vegetables. But I believe, and I'm led to believe, that if we spray our trees while they dormant, when they come back, we won't have as many bugs. Y'all see all them woods back there? Everything is woods. Everything is woods. So I have bugs you cannot think of, bro. You hear me? Bugs you can't even think of, brother. Pesticides. Leaves gone. It was aphids. What broke? What had aphids bad with our garden was the peach trees and the apple trees. Aphids love those. Anything else out here, no aphids. It was the peach trees and all of the apple trees. And them suckers stayed on rain, sleet, or snow. That's why I said they got sleds. But once it finally go dormant and all the leaves fall off, spray that sucker like your life depended on it. And I still spray the same stuff. I'm going to link the video at the end of this video, because I just want to hop on what Broke was talking about, because them bugs ain't no joke, period. And I don't want a lot of chemicals and stuff in our garden, so I try to keep it basic. But from my experience, just my first year growing trees, oils do good. Like the stuff that I buy is from a big box store, but it's just mainly oils and water. So eventually I'll be making my own. But you gotta get the dialed in because you want it to work. But yes, everything in the backyard is super dormant. It's a video coming out on the greenhouse, y'all. You won't believe how we keep that motherfucker at 65, 70 degrees. But I just want to jump on Broke video on the bugs be like, shoot. And them caterpillars, them hornworms, corn worms, shoot. Anyway, y'all make sure y'all like the video. Thumbs up the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.